Updated, Akpabio asked court to order Akpotio to delete satirical posts. Why? Why would they order her to delete it? This Akpabio, what is he feeling like? Eh? She should delete it. For what? The Senate President Godswill Akpabio has asked the Federal High Court in Abuja to compel, can you imagine, the suspended Kogi Central Senator Natasha to delete the satirical apology she posted on her social media platform. Something I posted on my page, I should go and delete it. Even if she delete it, the thing has already gone round. Everybody has it. So after she deletes it, what will now happen? Mr. Akpabio's request is contained in a motion as part of an ongoing lawsuit initiated by the suspended senator to contest her suspension from the Senate. On 4th of April, Justice Binta Ayako, who took over the case after another judge stepped down, issued an order praying both parties for making public statements related to the case, especially concerning the sexual harassment allegations. The judge ruled that there shall be no press interviews by all parties and counsels as regards the subject matter of this suit. There shall be no streaming or social media posts as regards this case. There shall be no television analysis of this subject matter while the case is sub judice. Why? Why? As a matter of fact, this should be live streamed. Everybody in the country should know exactly what is going on. But the reverse is the case. There should be no television. There should be no streaming on social media. There should be nothing. What are people trying to cover? What are people trying to hide? Despite this order, on 27th of April, Mrs. Akpotio posted a satirical apology on her official Facebook page. In the post, she mocked the leadership style of the Senate President and its alleged misconduct in the upper chamber. The Senate President's legal team, led by Kehinde Ogunwumijo, a son, is arguing through the motion that Mrs. Akpotio's post violated the court's order. It therefore asks the court to mandate her to delete the satirical post from all her social media platforms. I don't understand. What did she write that is violating what the judge said? She's not violating. They said they should not stream. They should not talk about the sexual harassment matter on social media or anything. Did she say that? No, she did not. So how did she violate? How did she violate? Mr. Akpabio's legal team is also asking the court to direct the suspended senator to issue a written apology. For what now? For what? Apologize for what exactly? Hey, see these people, you did something wrong. Instead of you to be the one apologizing, she should be the one to now apologize to you. You know, from this country, it is all. A written apology to be published in at least 2 national newspapers and an affidavit of compliance confirming her adherence to this directive. What is satirical apology? In the satirical post, Mr. Akpotio apologized for her crime of maintaining dignity and self-respect and suggested that success in the Senate under Mr. Akpabio's leadership was based not on competence or merit, but on conformity to personal expectations. The statement went viral and generated several comments and reactions on social media. While some commentators saw the post as a form of protest by the suspended senator, others argued it was a disregard to the court order. How is it a disregard to the court order? And advised the suspended senator to issue a straightforward apology if she had any regrets. If I hear say she apologized for anything. The dispute between the Senate President and the suspended Kogi senator dates back to a heated argument over sitting arrangements in February, which led to Mrs. Akpotio's suspension in March. The Kogi senator, minutes before her controversial suspension, accused Mr. Akpabio of sexual harassment. Since then, both parties have filed different lawsuits against one another, demanding billions of naira from each other. In one of such suits, still pending in court, Mrs. Akpotio sued Mr. Akpabio and his legislative aide, Mfon Patrick, for defamation. She's seeking 100 billion naira in general damages and 300 million naira for litigation costs. This was as a result of social media posts allegedly authored by Mr. Patrick that stated that Mr. Akpotio lacks legislative understanding and was more focused on her appearance than parliamentary duty. What is your business with her appearance? Equal problem. Now they see fine woman. She's more particular about her appearance. You don't know that it is the way you dress that you'll be addressed. So what is wrong with her focusing more on her appearance. I don't understand these people. Also, Ikaete Akpabio, the wife of the Senate president, filed two separate defamation suits against the suspended Kogi senator, demanding 350 billion naira in damages for reputation harm allegedly inflicted upon her husband. And that one, she doesn't know what she's doing. Ms. Akpabio also filed a separate suit to contest her suspension from the Senate, a case that, like the others, is still awaiting resolution. All of them, no, dey okay. It is well. Austin Ola says, please, is this man and other man from Rivers always going around with bottled water in their hand? I don't understand. If yes, they should check if it is water that is truly in there. Abi? For my area, one man dey waka up and down with bottled water for hand, dey do anyhow. Him anyhow come too bad. People for area come say maybe na too much drinking of water dey affect the man. As dem collect the thing from the man, na ogogoro dey inside o. Abeg make dem check those two water bottles. Dem two behaviour is becoming unbecoming. I'm telling you. I am telling you, when you think that they are drinking water, they are probably taking kai kai. Again. Oguntona, okay. As Sir Isaac says, VDM has done for Nigeria in 1 year than the entire APC government in 10 years. Those orchestrating Senator Natasha's downfall and those trying mighty hard to blackmail her are only wallowing in the labyrinth of destitution and ignominy. She's already irrepressible, unbendable, and unconquerable. Yet it takes someone with a touch of Igbo blood to nicely combine those traits. Well, Natasha Amarachi, don't give her name, Amarachi Oduaga, all hail the queen senator. They are the vanquished, you are the victor, yes, so they will only try, but they cannot succeed. Chris Abuka says, does this man called the Senate president really have the truth? I don't think so. Even the woman he's dealing with, all of them are bunches of falsehood. May all your road be rough. Amen. Ekeyete Basi says, Akpabio actually sue her and not asking the court. Abi, sue her for defamation. Don't tell the court to tell her to apologize to you. Or don't tell the court to compel her to delete what she wrote. Sue her for defamation. Let's let the game begin. Let the game begin. As Matiyah says, she proves to be one of political judges once again. Punch John says, Akpabio na Akpabio till tomorrow, no shaking. Just look at it. Jeffrey says, Akpabio is a he-goat, cheesecake recipe and a criminal justice system of claim madman. Matthew says he believes that he's in the position to do anything and go away with it. Exactly, I can do this. I'm the number 3. I will definitely get away with it. That is how they behave. God will help us, my listeners. Over to leave your thoughts. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for listening. Bye.